Welcome guys, today's video review of the top 5 best cardio machines for home gym. If you are looking for the best cardio machines for home gym, you are in the right place. There are many products available to choose from for the best cardio machines for home gym, each with different characteristics. To make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and purchased. After testing, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. XTERRA Fitness FB150 Folding Exercise Bike. This exercise bike is our top pick if you need an effective, low-impact way to get your cardio in on a budget. With a wheeled, folding design for simple storage, this quiet and sturdy stationary bike is great for small homes and shared spaces. It has 8 challenging resistance levels and a straightforward LCD screen to help you track essential statistics like speed, distance, time, and calories burned. You can also monitor your heart rate while you bike, thanks to the handlebar sensors. We like that the adjustable, cushioned seat is nice and wide for a comfortable ride. Plus, XTERRA also offers a model with a backrest if you need more support. This no-frills bike doesn't have programmed workouts, a device ledge, or a beverage holder. And like our best overall pick, it has a lower weight capacity. But we think the features it does offer are impressive for the price. Number 2. Peloton Bike Plus Essentials. An upgrade from the original Peloton bike, we recommend Peloton's Bike Plus if you're looking to invest in an ultra-quiet cardio machine with a long list of premium features. With a streamlined, solid frame, it has a surprisingly small footprint but can accommodate riders up to 6 feet, 4 inches tall. It also has an impressive 100 levels of resistance and an optional auto-follow feature that automatically adjusts to the right difficulty during any class or scenic ride. To make the Bike Plus worth it, we suggest subscribing to Peloton's app for an additional cost, between $13 and $44 per month, depending on which level of membership you choose. Subscribing grants you and up to 5 users access to the app, including thousands of live and on-demand classes, and the ability to connect with other Peloton users and trainers. The large, 23.8 inches touchscreen also rotates, so you can take non-cycling classes like bar or yoga off the bike. Number 3. NordicTrack Commercial 2450. While we think the EXP7i is an ideal starting point, the Commercial 2450 is our top treadmill pick because it has more functionality at a higher price point. It's durable, with a solid construction and larger motor for avid runners, but it also folds and can be stored vertically to help maximize floor space. Unlike the EXP7i, the Commercial 2450 can adjust both up to 12% incline or -3% decline. The 22 inches touchscreen that can tilt and pivot also dwarfs the EXP7i's 7 inches version, which only tilts. Plus, we like that it offers speeds up to 12 miles per hour, compared to the EXP7i's maximum speed of 10 miles per hour. But both treadmills come with the same additional accessories, including a yoga mat, a stretching strap, a yoga block, and a massage gun. The long, wide tread belt makes this treadmill ideal for tall runners with a longer stride. And we like that the belt runs under the guide rails, a safer, longer-lasting belt design. However, weighing 286 pounds, this is one of the heaviest machines on our list. Like the EXP7i, this model allows access to the iFit exercise library, Google Maps workout locations, heart rate monitoring, and smart workout suggestions. A few other details, like a fan, water bottle holder, and Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, make this solid treadmill an intuitive option that's built to last. Number 4. Hydrow Wave Rowing Machine. While we like the Hydrow rower's high-tech features, we love that the Wave's stylish, compact design offers an equivalent workout for less money, earning our top rower spot. Although the Wave is over 40 pounds lighter than the Hydrow rower, it has the same weight capacity. The sleek design also makes it easier to store the Wave when you're not using it or anchor it to the wall using Hydrow's Wave Vertical Anchor, sold separately. Adjustable foot cradles can accommodate users of varying heights. And we love that the Wave comes in a range of bright colors, which sets it apart from the other machines on our list. To get the full Hydrow experience, we recommend purchasing a Hydrow membership for $44 per month. You'll get access to a library of over 4,000 virtual workouts, unlimited profiles for everyone in your household, and more. You'll only sacrifice on a few key features, like the screen, which measures 16 inches compared to the original rower's 22 and can't swivel. And while Hydrow also offers in-home assembly for the Wave, if you choose to do it yourself, the brand says it will take up to 90 minutes while the rower only takes around 30. But if you have a tighter budget, we think the Wave has everything you need to get started rowing in a modern, user-friendly package. Number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness Cardio Climber. For a low-impact way to condition your legs and glutes, we recommend Sunny Health and Fitness Cardio Climber. 8 easy-to-adjust resistance levels and non-slip pedals provide a safe and challenging workout. Users have also found that the climber's mechanics are quiet, so you can exercise when you need to without disturbing your roommates, family members, or neighbors. We like that you can monitor basic metrics like time spent exercising, speed, distance traveled, and calories burned using the climber's digital display. While it's not as large or interactive as other touch screens like the one on NordicTrack's EXP7i treadmill, it still has all the information you need to track your progress. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you found this video valuable, give it a like. If you know someone who needs to see it, share it. Leave a comment below with your thoughts. If you need more information or if you want the product price, please do check out the description. Thank you.